The first meaning of eso is that. Eso, that, okay? If you're pointing out because you want someone to look at that, then you will use eso, that. Eso allá, that over there, okay? So keep that in mind. That's the most basic common meaning of eso. So let's look at some examples using this word. Eso no me gusta. Eso no me gusta. Eso no me gusta. So the meaning of this phrase, of this sentence is, I don't like that. I don't like that, okay? Eso, oops, sorry. Let me just break this down for you. Eso, right here. Eso, that, no, similar to saying in this situation, don't. Me gusta. Me gusta is a phrase, a common phrase that means I like, okay? So when you have no me gusta, that's the opposite. I don't like ... In this situation, that, whatever that is, it could be a physical thing or something non-tangible that you don't like, the situation, for example. Eso, that, okay? So we don't know what we're talking about. It's a bit vague, but we know that this person doesn't like that. Eso no me gusta. I don't like that, okay? So that is an easy example using eso. So let's look at the next example. Pásame eso. Pásame eso. Okay? Pásame eso. What does this mean? This is a common phrase, and this means pass me that. Pass me that. Whatever that is. Eso is commonly used when you don't want to specify what it is. You're just saying that. Okay? We could be anything. It could be anything. So, pásame, pásame, pásame. It's very important to remember to add the accent mark right here, because otherwise it would be pásame, pásame, okay? So we need the accent mark there. Unless you're in Argentina, the intonation changes a bit, but for the rest of the Latin American countries and Spain even, you need accent marks for this kind of intonation. Pásame, okay? Pásame. Pásame, pass me, pásame, pasa, pasa comes from the verb pasar, and pasar means quite a few things, but essentially it means also to pass, okay? So when you say pásame, you're adding a pronoun there, me, which means me, okay? And the whole word is pásame, and it means pass me, okay? Eso, you know what eso means? Eso means that, okay? So this is like the most basic use of eso. Eso means that, okay? You can use it by itself if you want to, point out something. Pass me that, pásame eso, or just eso, okay? Eso, that, or you can use it in just as part of a sentence, right? You can add more to eso, and it can have verb, nouns, pronouns, and so on. Just like we see here. We have sentences. Okay, excellent. Excellent.